Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Mostly Python. Today we're going to be making a pretty cool program. We're going to be making a text-to-speech program with Python. So basically you just feed it some text and it plays out some sound over your computer speakers. So let's get started. So first, you're going to have to install two modules. I already have them installed, but I'll put them down on top. You're going to need the gtts module and playsound version 1.2.2. So we're going to start by saying from gtts, which stands for Google Text-to-Speech. I believe we'll say import gtts. So from the gtts module, we're importing the gtts function. We're going to say import os, and we're going to say import playsound. So we're going to say define speak, and we're going to give it one parameter text. So we're creating a function called speak, and it's going to have one parameter text. So when you run the function, you're going to have to give it that. You're going to have to give that parameter. So we're going to say tts equals gtts, and we're going to say text equals text, ling equals en. So what we're doing here is we're saying TTS equals text speech, text equals text. So we're saying the text that the program should speak is the parameter text which we are getting from the function speak, and language is English. So we're setting the language that we're going to be speaking in. We're going to say file name equals speak.mp3. We're going to say tts.save file name. So we're doing this because the way the gtts module works is it doesn't by itself have the ability to play sound directly over the speaker. It can save the sound into a file, into an mp3 file, and then you have to play that yourself. So what this program is going to do is we're going to save the sound into a file, then we're going to have the program play that file in the speakers, and then we're going to delete that file right away. So to play the file, we're going to say playsound.playsound, and we're going to say file name for the file that it should play, and I'm going to say os.remove file name. And that's a program. So just to quickly go over before we run it, we have the function speak, which takes one parameter text. So you say TTS equals Google's text-to-speech, and then we define the text that we want to speak as the text that we're getting from the function, and the language is English. Then we say the file name is equals to speak.mp3, so we save this text-to-speech to a file called speak.mp3, then we use a playsound module to play it over the speakers, and then we delete it. So let's run this program. So what we're going to do, we're going to say speak, and then we're going to say mostly Python is the best YouTube channel. So let's go now, let's hit run.
Mostly Python is the best YouTube channel.
There you have it, the program's running. We could really change this to anything we want. You could say, what's another thing we could say? We could say, mostly Python has really cool videos, and we'll hit run again.
Mostly Python has really cool videos.
And there you have it. That is how to do text-to-speech on your computer with the gtts module in Python. So it's a really cool program. In total, it condensed its less than 10 lines of code, and you could just take any program you're making and make it so much cooler just by having it speak out text. But anyway, we Bikesh. Stay tuned to the next video.